fresh wahala, my beautiful people, as court reactivate bigamy case against yoyoyo. Hey, beautiful people, something is actually happening. But why is it that these Edoshis think they can actually, do things the way they are doing and go cost-free? My people, if you have been following me here, I once made a video where I said Juju Ekwensu and her mother has cried out, and they reached out to Grandpa, telling Grandpa that they gave him 7 days to appeal the divorce case of Yoyoyo and Queen May, because that case cannot just end like that. Their German cannot just go like that. And I was hearing also that even the mama of Yoyoyo was saying that her son cannot lose everything like that. How dare that the judge will actually, judge the case in such a manner that Queen May will go with everything. My beautiful people, as I am making this video, court has revisited that case again. The reason why court revisited the case is allegedly, according to the information I am getting on the internet, that this family of Yoyoyo, you guys know that the mother of Yoyoyo is a lawyer. So they said she looked at the case and said, according to the report on the internet, so I wasn't there, and said that the judge actually, just favored Queen May in this matter. That Queen May is not supposed to go with everything right like that. That his son cannot just go, empty if the judge was doing the right thing. And so based on that, as a lawyer in the family, the family would take her as their legal advisor. So maybe, according to the story, she advised the family to appeal the case. And that was how they appealed the divorce case that we all were thinking that the case has actually come to an end. They have appealed the case, and they did not just, stop at appealing the whole case, but they also sued the judge that judged this case, the way we were hearing. My beautiful people, it was not a small something. After the judge was sued, the judge got angry and revisited the case, and that's now reactivates the issue of bigamy that was silenced in this case that time. As I am telling you, Yoyoyo has received letter from the court. According to a report that is on my table, Yoyoyo is going to face bigamy now. Yoyoyo is going to court now. Yoyoyo has a fresh case of bigamy now. That we all know that Queen May did not sue him for bigamy. Even though when the case was proceeding, the court looked at it, because in every case of divorce like this bigamy cannot just be thrown away. That was why when this case was actually proceeding, every time we'll be hearing on the internet that Yoyoyo is actually very afraid, because according to him and the family, they said they did not know if this bigamy case is going to come up at the end of that case. That just like the way the 100 million naira case of Ekwensu came up, that they did not know if this bigamy is coming up again. Okay, so I think we all heard that Yoyo was very afraid, but May insisted that they should not look at the side of the bigamy, the claim of Yoyo, that what she wanted is that Yoyo should just come and sign divorce paper for her, that she just wants to go, she don't want to put the father of her children in kirikiri. So even when her lawyer was always telling her that she need to sue Yoyo for bigamy because of the way that Yoyo was actually acting his skits with Juju Ekwensu on the internet, and the way Yoyo was not like having any remorse in all this issue we were talking about. I heard allegedly that the lawyer of Queen May actually advised her to sue Yoyo for bigamy, so that Yoyo's ego can actually calm down then. But May Edoche insisted that that she don't want to send Yoyo to kirikiri, and that was the reason why the bigamy case did not come up at all. It was silenced at the end of that whole case. What Queen May needed was just for him to sign the divorce paper for her, even though he refused to sign the divorce paper. But I think it was signed by the judge and Queen May, and the copy was delivered to Yoyoyo in Asaba, according to a report. I think I've made a video about that. So, beautiful people, now, because of this disagreement of the Edoshis, Yoyoyo is going to face, like it's in court now. Yoyoyo, a new case has been filed against Yoyoyo. That case of bigamy that the court is silenced, has come up because of this disagreement. They will not agree. May cannot go with everything. Has made the judge now to revisit the case. And trust me, Yoyoyo may not go cost-free, because the evidence that is in this matter of telling the court that Yoyoyo actually had another woman on top of his wife when they were still in marriage is shock. The evidence shook everywhere on the internet. Trust me, Yoyoyo cannot escape this. And we all know that bigamy, if you commit bigamy as a married man who has married your wife, like in the course, and you actually commit bigamy, and it is being found out that you commit bigamy, you're going to kirikiri for 7 years. My people, that is what our actor is going to face. It will not be small thing, no. When I heard this information that this case has been, revisited again, and that the bigamy case that the judge Salenta before has come up to give Yoyoyo a fresh case that he is going to be appearing in court. And as a matter of fact, men will not be going to court for this one, no. It is only Yoyoyo that will stand in court for this one, because like I said, the evidence and everything, there will be no questioning again. No cross-examination. Yes, cross-examination in this matter again, because they have cross-examined both of them when the case was actually proceeding, and it was confirmed that Yoyoyo committed bigamy. Yes. So my people, this is the update. So the case not just finished like that. So as they do, she said, they will not accept the case like that. They appeal the case, and as a result of their appealing the case and suing the judge that actually handled this case, my people, the judge got angry and revisited the case, and the case of bigamy has come up. As I'm telling you, according to a story on my table, Yoyoyo has received the letter from court for this matter of bigamy, and is going to reappear in court again. My people, now so you will just stay like this, carry your hand, who put for fire, we will burn you. What is all this now? Why don't they just allow this case to go the way it is? I don't understand. How do they even think they can go to court, appeal the case, and get it right the way they are saying they are going to get it right, that the judge did not judge it right? I don't understand, my people. As I get this update, I say make I bring and come give you now. That is just the update. So Yoyoyo has a lot of issue to face now for this bigamy. Not be small. Anyway, beautiful people, I'll end this story here. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.